Hi, welcome or welcome back. I'm Tish. Today we have our Boxycharm Base Box for the month of July. Yes, July. Alright, the base box is $25 a month and you are guaranteed to get 5 full-size items. Yeah, 5 full-size. The brain fog is like so real today. I am all over the place. Alright, so this is the box. This is what we get when we open it. We have a card. This month's theme is sunshine. And we got all this little information on the back of the card. Focus. You can do it. There we go. Information on the back of the card. Alright. And I got version 68. So we shall see what version 68 looks like. Alright, so the first thing I am going to pull out of the box. Babe Lash Essential Serum. Who doesn't want noticeably beautiful lashes? The award-winning Babe Lash Essential Serum will give you the lashes you've been looking for by enhancing the appearance of length and volume over time. It can also be used on brows and with lash extensions. Be your own kind of beautiful with Babe Lash. And suggested retail is $59. So even if I like it, I'm not repurchasing this. That's crazy. $59. Holy crow. Alright. We're going to open this up and see what $59 gets you. And this is what the component looks like. And of course it has plastic so that I look like I am massively struggling on camera, which, you know, I am, but they don't have to look that way. Yay! I got it off there. Alright. Oh, and it's just a little brush. Okay. Nice. Excuse me. Alright, and the next thing we have is Ciate London Everyday Vacay Dewy Coconut Setting Mist. Heck yeah! I need a setting mist. Alright, so what does this say? Set and refresh your makeup with Ciate London's Everyday Vacay Setting Spray. Infused with coconuts, this luminous ultra-fine mist holds makeup while micro pearls add a delicate glow over the skin. The delicate coconut scent and healthy glow takes you straight back to the beach. And the suggested retail on this is $22. Alright. So let's see what this looks like. Excuse me, my brother-in-law's outside. Okay. So, twisting is not a good idea. Aha! I've conquered it. Alright, so this is what this looks like. And the sprayer. Okay, let's see. Smells like suntan lotion. But I don't feel like any of that got on my face. I feel like all of that got on the front of me from here down and my arm. Alright, so we'll figure that out. It smells divine. Alright, so our next thing we have is, what is that? Nude Sticks Rock and Roller Liner in Golden Rosé. All right. Easily achieve eyelining perfection with this high pigment, sweat-proof, smudge-proof, waterproof liner that stays put for a 24-hour wear-resistant finish. The ultrafine roller ball glides across the lash line for precise ink application, allowing you to create a variety of looks with ease. Suggested retail is $26. All right, so that's what that looks like. I'm gonna roller ball. Okay, so what we have is what looks like an itty bitty little pizza cutter. Like, all right. Let's see if that actually shows up on the back of my hand. It's got a thick line so you can see the color. That is the color. The line on my palm of my hand has dried down already. I put a lot more on the back of my hand, so. All right, next we have Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Fairy Balm Shimmer Powder. All right. Fairy Balm Shimmer Powder is the same smooth, hyper-reflective shimmer that comes pre-packed in Fairy Balm Glittering Pom-Pom, now housed in a loose powder pot for precision and payoff. Pack this prismatic sparkle on your face, eyes, and body. Suggested retail $28. And that is what the packaging looks like. All right. Oop, right there. You have to put your own sifter in? Okay. All right, so let's show the component here real quick. This is the packaging. And it's got a little seal over it. Wait, I think this is a lid. An extra layer of protection. Maybe not. Let's look and see what we got. Yeah, this extra piece here is a lid that goes in, and it's got this little pull tab here. I can work this, I swear. Ah! Okay, you go there. It's got this little pull tab here for easy grasp, and it has, the logo is raised so that you can actually plug up all those little holes in there. So it's just an extra layer of protection. That's genius. I actually like that. All right. So Fenty Beauty Fairy Balm. Nice. All right, we're gonna put that back in the package there. All right, last but not least, and I probably want to take my nail file out of the box before I toss it. That way I don't lose my stuff. The last thing we have, excuse me, is Pure Cosmetics Festival 2.0 eyeshadow palette. All right. Get into a state of intense euphoria with this shimmer-infused 12-piece pressed pigment palette that instantly coats lids in dreamy, irresistible color that shines. Fully loaded with striking light reflective formulas, these cruelty-free pigments come complete with matte and transition shades. Suggested retail is $36. And it's a good thing I didn't throw out my nail file, because I don't want to rip the box. I have not tried any of Pure's formulas before, so this... Alright, of course, it's got the mirror. And those are the shades. Alright. I am going to swatch these. Okay. Whoops. Some of these mattes feel different. All right, so we have Euphoric, Pure Bliss, Photo Op, and Dreamland. Okay. Okay. It's really chunky. And that one's not chunky. These, I don't know about these shimmers. Alright. Let's get the second row here. Alright, so we have Turn It Up, Instaworthy, Vibes, and On Set. Well, that shimmers a lot better. That's what I have so far. And we have one more row. And I want to mix colors here. Let me wash my fingers off. Dry them off. All right, we have Utopia, Electric, Fantasy World, and VIP Pass. All right, let's go back through these. Right here, which you can't really see, we have Euphoric. And then we have Pure Bliss. Photo Op and Dreamland. Turn It Up. Instaworthy. Why is it not focusing? Anyways, these are the shades. All right. And I'm dropping stuff. I don't think it came with a cover. Am I tripping? I could be. Yeah, I don't know about this formula. Some of them seem good, some of them not so much. But, you know. So, to recap, for $35, we got the Pure Festival 2.0 palette. We got our Fairy Balm from Fenty. Our Ciate London Everyday Vacay Setting Spray. Our Rock and Roller Eyeliner. And aha, the Babe Lash Serum. So, I'm not mad at it. I'm not really sure about the formula of Pure, though. I'll have to play around with those. Swatches don't necessarily mean that they're bad or good. That's going to be fun. Gonna have to use oil cleanser to get that off. All right, so that was our Boxycharm Base Box for our Boxycharm Base Box for the month of July. I will leave a link, my referral link, down in the description box if you want to check them out. If you sign up using my link, it gives me points. I get to go in and use those points to buy more makeup with, I guess. I'm gonna go clean this off my arm now. All right, so that is it for today's video. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. It's all down there. All right, so I hope every single one of you has an absolutely amazing day. And I will see you on the next video. Bye.